Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.
Assalamualaikum guys, this is Rabshan Ajib and you are watching Crazy Information Technology. In today's video I am going to review Motorola Z3 Play. So hope you enjoy our review, and if you are new on our channel, so go down and subscribe our channel Crazy Information Technology. It will help you to connect it with the latest technology updates. And it's all a review of Motorola Z3, so hope you enjoy our review. And I again say, so if you are new on the channel, so kindly subscribe our channel Crazy Information Technology. So let's the review begin. First of all, I would like to explain its 6-inch Full HD Super AMOLED display, and its screen to body ratio is 18:9, which is amazing. And it has a virtually borderless display which sounds really good, and the display of this mobile is amazing. So now come to its dual rear smart cameras, capturing brilliant photos in any condition with a 12 megapixel low lighting sensor, which is amazing, and with 5 megapixel depth sensor, which sound really good, and its camera quality is just amazing. So now come to its performance, which is must included in my review. Its operating system Android 8.1 Oreo, processor Qualcomm Snapdragon 636, memory 4GB, internal storage 64GB, expandable storage up to 2TB micro SD card, security fingerprint reader and face unlock is also available, and different sensor is also available, as you can see on your mobile screen. So now come to its battery. It has battery power throughout the weekend. It has two batteries, one is external and one is internal, which is amazing combination of these two. You can use your mobile throughout the weekend, which is amazing. So now come to its sound. It has booming sound and rich bass anywhere, so amazing. You can enjoy a loud sound anywhere you can want. So if you want to hear loud sound, you can hear through your smartphone, which is amazing. So now come to its features. It is various features available in this mobile, so I just love the features with different features in this mobile. So as you can see, the different features is also available in this mobile. Come to its super slim design. As you can see on your mobile screen, it has a Gorilla Glass display and smooth rounded corners, which is amazing. Its corner is rounded, so amazing. So kindly subscribe my channel Crazy Information Technology, and this mobile is not a bulletproof but waterproof, so you can also enjoy your phone in raining or anywhere. So now come to its Google Assistant. It has also Google Assistant, so you can make your work easier and just in a second, so just amazing. So now come to its most new thing, which is its fingerprint in a button, which is amazing on your side. So you can get its fingerprint on your side, so just amazing and new to see. So now come to its face unlock, which is great. It has also instant face lock, which is amazing, so I like it. So now come to its overall specification: blazing fast charging, endless possibilities, 6 edge-to-edge display, battery for a weekend, so amazing, and slim design, dual depth sensing, rear cameras, so just amazing. I like it. So hope you enjoy our review, and if you enjoy our review, please subscribe our channel Crazy Information Technology. And if you are new on our channel, so kindly subscribe our channel Crazy Information Technology. And for now it's ended. We will right back with new idea, with new technologies. For now, goodbye.
Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.